The 3 weeks, of course, represents a very challenging time in the history of our Jewish people. It's a time of mourning, a time of fasting, a time where we commemorate and mourn thousands of years of tragedy and calamity that befell our people, of course, culminating with the most traumatic event, the destruction of the Beis HaMikdash. It's a time where we impose restraints on our lives to remember that things are different, things are not the same without the Beis HaMikdash in our lives. In short, it's a solemn time, almost depressing, very negative characterization. But is this the only characterization of the time? Is it only just a solemn, mournful, depressing period? Or is there some aspect of hope, something that we can grab onto for the future as well? Perhaps if we look at the first word in the Megillah Eicha, the Megillah that's read on the night of Tisha B'Av, we can glean a little bit of an insight into this question. The word Eicha, of course, means how. It's a question, it's a challenge, it's a word that we ask ourselves and we ask the Ribbono Shel Olam, how could it be that things are so bad? How could it be that we're suffering so much and that we've become so downtrodden? But the Medrash points out that the word Eicha also has another association. The Medrash Eicha says that Eicha is also similar to the word Ayeka, hearkening back to the time when Adam HaRishon was in Gan Eden, and after the first Chet, where Hashem called out to Adam HaRishon, Ayeka, where are you? And perhaps the idea relating Eicha to Ayeka is that on the one hand, we ask and we challenge because things are so bad and things are so difficult. But at the same time, we always have to remember that Hashem is calling out to us, Ayeka, asking us, where are you? Where are we? Hashem is always calling out to us, even in times of tragedy, even when things are bad. Hashem is calling to ask for a relationship. He just wants us to become closer and closer. So perhaps part of the aspect here, and during the 3 weeks, is not just to ask and to challenge and to say, how could things be so bad? But to remember that Hashem is calling out to us, and that He never forsakes us, and that He always wants a relationship with us.